Okay, boys and girls, today's Wednesday, November 4th. We are taking our math warm-up in our STAAR Master book, page 56. Okay, so we should be doing this on our own at home and then checking along with the video, just like we would do in class. We do it first and then we check together. So number 1, which of the following best represents 4 times 5? And what do we have going on here in our answer choices? What do we call that?
We call that array.
An array, good. So we should have 4 rows with 5 in each row. Okay. Does A look correct?
No.
No. It's not even a complete array. It should always have the equal amount in each row.
That one only has 4.
B, okay, we're going to count the rows. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks good so far. And then Kelsey says it only has 4. Let's count going across now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I said the A.
Oh, A only had 4. Okay, so this one has 4 rows with 5 in each row. So far that one looks good. What was C? What multiplication sentence would we put with C?
4 times 4.
Good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the last one, D, what was wrong with that?
That's 5 times 5.
5 times 5. Good. Okay, so B would have been your correct answer to show 4 times 5. Okay, number 2. What number will come next if the pattern below continues? This is skip counting, right? 3, 6, 9, 12. What comes? 15. Good. 15 comes next. They were counting by what?
They're counting by 3s.
3s. Good. Number 3, which multiplication fact do the arrows on the number line below best represent? Okay, so we have to count the skips, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So I know there has to be a 5 in there.
It's C.
And C is the only one that has 5 as a factor. And then they're counting by what? 3. So it would be 5 times 3. And C was the only one that showed that. And it has the product correct too because it lands at 15. So 15 would be the answer. Okay, the last one. Which multiplication fact does the area model below best represent? So an area model, we briefly touched on this. It's just like an array, except all of the squares are what?
Stuck together.
Stuck together, okay? And we will talk about area later on, but it's just multiplying the rows times the columns, just like you do an array. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting the boxes. And there were 4 here. And now I'm going to count the ones going across. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this box actually gets counted twice, doesn't it?
Yes.
We count it for going down and we count it again going across. Okay? Okay, so there was 4 rows, 6 columns. So 4 times 6
equals 24.
So C would be the correct answer. Good. So you think if we counted all of these squares on the inside, we'd end up having 24 squares?
Yes.
Yes, 24 squares on the inside of this. All right, any questions before we move on? No? Okay, go ahead and put that away. Put your STAAR Master book away, and we are going to review strip diagrams today. So get ready for your math lesson on strip diagrams coming up next.